Kia Billingsley, and I'm back again with another video. Today, this is a quick walk around my Galaxy Note 8 on my iPhone 7 Plus slow motion mode. Look at that, guys. Look at how slow that device is being recorded with the iPhone 7 Plus. Look at that beautiful, beautiful beauty. This is the black Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I've had this device for about 6 months now, and I still love every single thing about this lovely device. Look at that black loveliness. It is glass on the front, glass on the back. Yes, it's a very, very, very slippery device, but it's a lovely, and I really love this device. This is one nice cell phone, guys. If you don't have one, you should get one for yourself. Look at how I am just showing off my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 because I know that I have one of the best phones. One of the best phones. Even though it came out last year, 2017, this is still one heck of a device. It's just big, nice, beautiful, glossy. You'll love it if you had it in your hand because I love it. It's just wonderful. Look at that. Look at all those smooth turns with the slow motion mode on the iPhone 7 Plus camera. Look at how I'm turning the device. Look at how I'm rolling the device. Look at that device, guys. Just look at it. It looks like one nice big slab of a candy bar, guys. It's so nice, guys. This is one of the best phones I could have ever purchased. And I'm telling you the truth when I say it's one of the best phones that I could ever purchase. It has that S Pen with it, guys. Look at the top of that corner of that device. Look at the back of the phone. Look at the dual cameras and the fingerprint sensor, guys. The LED flash. This is just one nice device. I can't go on and on because this device is just everything to me. Yes, like I said, it's slippery, but you throw a case on that device and you're good to go. I just want you guys to look at this. Let it marinate in your mind. Look at those great shots, guys, that I'm getting with this cell phone. I'm just showing it off because I know it's a great device. And it looks so awesome, guys. This is one sexy device, guys. You heard it from me. Look at that. So beautiful, guys. I can't take my eyes off of it. That's how beautiful this device is to me, guys. That's how much it means to me, guys. No scratches on my device. I keep it protected with a screen protector and a case. But right now, I'm just letting you guys see the glory. It's so beautiful. Look at that. You can't tell me that is not a beautiful device. Look at that. Look at it. It's just glistening. That midnight black color is so awesome. It's just glistening, guys. It's just glistening. Look at that, guys. That is one nice device. Look at that turn. Look at that. I'm showing it off, guys, because I know it's number one. It's still number one in 2018. Still number one. Just look at me. Look at me play with the device. Look at me handle the device. I got a good grip on this device, guys. So lovely. Look at the back again. I just want y'all to look at it. Pause the video and just look at the back. Look at the back of the device. It's so beautiful. You can see yourself through it. That's how shiny and glossy it is. Look at that. 6.3-inch screen. So awesome. Look at the device, guys. Just look at it. Don't take your eyes off of it. You might miss something. Look at that. You can see the fan in the back of the device. Just look at it. The Galaxy Note 8 I'm telling you guys, nice, sexy phone. Just look at it. Look at all the turns I'm doing. Look at me just showing off this lovely device because I know it's great. I know it's good. I know it can't be beat. Just look at it. It's awesome, guys. I'm telling you. If you get this device, you will not be upset with this device. Yes, it's slippery, but like I said, it's an awesome device, guys. It's so awesome. Look at that. Tall, skinny, and handsome device. Look at me flipping and turning it. Look at that. Boom! I set it down, guys. Set it down. Rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.